Vlogsgiving! Vlogsgiving!
Vlogsgiving.
Hi guys, happy Vlogsgiving day number 3. We are getting ready to go to church. That's why I look somewhat put together today. And I'm wearing crazy leggings. Let me show you guys. Look at these. Yeah. So, anyway, we're getting ready to go to church. And obviously I'm not gonna vlog going to church, but we are singing today. So that's exciting. And yeah, and then after that we have like places to go and people to see and all that jazz because it's Sunday. So I will update you guys when I can. And yeah, that's our little update for Vlogsgiving day number 3. Don't mind the apartment, it's trashed because #weekend. Hey guys, so we made it back from church and I'm gonna do a little grocery haul. We're actually gonna go to the grocery store later today and get everything we need for the week. Because we're not doing HelloFresh this week, so we have to like get all of our meals. But we did have to get a few things from like the healthy food store. So I'm just gonna show you guys what we got. We got some sliced bananas, 2 packs of those, because I got some acai to make my own acai bowls. Oh, I forgot granola. I'll have to get that at the other store. I used to do this a lot, and then I stopped making them, but I've been obsessed with them again. So I figured while we were there, they had it, and I was like, I'm just gonna get some so I can make it. Then I also got these cacao nibs to put on it, so that'll be fun. And then some strawberries. The whole reason we went to this health food place though is to get some more ranch dressing for the lunch that we're having today. We use this ranch dressing. It is Whole30 approved. We're not doing a Whole30, but we like to, you know, replace some of the stuff and be like, you know, just mindful of the stuff we're putting in our body. So we do like this ranch, so we figured we'll just continue using like the ranch. And then I found this. I thought you could only order it online. I wish it would focus. Maybe. There we go. It's the peppermint bark tea from the Republic of Tea. And I wanted to try it. I was going to order it online, but I found it at the store. So I was like, yes, picking it up right now. Really excited to try it. But now it is time to make some lunch. And then we're gonna probably head to the grocery store. We have to pick up a tie for James for an important business meeting. Important people over here. So we're gonna do that and go to the grocery store, do all the adulting things. Probably need to clean up a little bit so we're not complete slobs this weekend, but yeah, that's what we're doing. That's what's going on. I just wanted to show you guys this quick little grocery haul. I absolutely love the health food place that we go, the healthy store that we go to. It's like right next to our apartment. We could literally walk there, but I love going to that store. It makes me happy. But that's not where we're getting our groceries because it is kind of expensive. So we'll get all the other stuff at like Food Lion because we're cheap like that, right?
Well, it'd be different if the stuff at Food Lion was bad.
Yeah, our Food Lion's not bad. Some of them are kind of not great, but the one we live next to isn't bad. Right?
Right.
All right, now to go change out of these clothes and start cooking lunch.
I just told you to.
Okay guys, we are going to the grocery store. Who are we? We are going to the grocery store. We're not ordering our groceries. I think we might stop doing that because it's been kind of a fail lately. I don't know. We're gonna see how things go, but for today we are going to get our groceries. So, also exciting news, the Chiefs won the football game today. Woo! It was a very close game, so. But I'm so excited because next week, a week from today, I will actually be at the game with my mom, my sister, and my grandma. I'm so excited. So, yeah. Anyway, but they won their game, and I'm pretty pumped about it. And like I said, now we're going to get groceries. Also, there's these kids playing in the road, and they're looking at me because I'm talking to a camera. So, also, not driving. James is driving. I'm just chilling in the passenger seat. We have to go to Target because James here needs a tie. So we're gonna check Target and maybe Kohl's. And then we're gonna go to the grocery store, like I've already said. It's a pretty chill Sunday. It's 4:38. I'm really sad because I know it's gonna be dark out soon and I hate it so much. But, oh well. It'll be spring soon, right?
Yep.
So we have to hold on to.
Just around the corner.
Just around the river bend. So yeah, we've had a pretty chill day. We went to church, sang at church, came home from church. Well, we went to that one grocery store. I showed you guys the grocery haul. And then we just chilled on the couch. We watched some How I Met Your Mother. That's what we're currently watching right now, in case you guys are wondering, because we finished rewatching Parks and Rec, so now we've moved on to How I Met Your Mother. And yeah, that's what's going on in our life, right?
Right.
Anyway, all right, well, we're gonna go shopping. I'm not gonna take you guys because I always just feel weird vlogging in stores. I feel like they're gonna yell at me. I know people do it, but like, I don't know, I just feel like if I were to do it, they would yell at me. And I don't like getting in trouble, you guys. So, I'm just not gonna vlog while we shop. But, I will show you guys like what we got at the grocery store when we get home.
Right.
He's just like, right. Alright. Well, catch you guys in a little bit. All right, guys, we made it back from the grocery store. I'm gonna show you guys everything that we got. And yeah, we're keeping it super simple this week because we both have pretty busy work weeks. And I just want it to be simple. We didn't get HelloFresh this week, so literally just trying to make my life a lot easier. So first things first, we got Dixie some treats. Sorry, I got dishes over there. Her food. I got some honey for my acai bowls. I got a bunch of yogurt. I got this chocolate chip cookie dough. I thought that'd be a pretty good snack. And then I got the M&M's one. I got a Snickers one. And I got an Oreo one. Also, please don't mind the mess on the stove. We got chicken. That's basically what we're having every night for dinner. I'm gonna put it in the crock pot and I'm gonna put it with this teriyaki sauce. This is a Whole30 teriyaki sauce. And so we're gonna do that. I got these dark chocolate chocolate chips for my acai bowl because the one that I get has chocolate chips and it's just so good. Then I got another thing of almond milk, some potatoes. We got some like instant rice for our chicken. And then we have like a ton of frozen vegetables in the freezer. So, you know. Then we have this granola for my acai bowl again because I'm obsessed. I got this easy mac and cheese for lunch because I just can't be bothered to cook. I know it's not the healthiest, but it's just one of those weeks where I'm just not in the mood and I have a lot of stuff to do and I just can't be bothered with food, really. James got this brownie batter core ice cream for tonight, and then I got this like loaded sundae peanut butter one. We didn't have our weekly ice cream because we had it on Wednesday, but I don't know. We were just kind of feeling it today. Probably shouldn't, but it is what it is. I need to get back to the gym. Just whatever. And then we also got some bananas, and I think that's everything. Oh, and I'm not going to show you the oven because it's terrible. We also got some lemon water for me. And then we also went to Target. James got a tie for work. I got the Focus Snowdrop Mrs. Meyer scent. I saw this a couple weeks ago at Target and I didn't pick it up and then I regretted it. So this was the only one they had and I was like, I'm getting it this time. So that way I don't like regret it. And then I also got some shampoo and conditioner. And that is this week's grocery haul. I know it doesn't seem like a lot, but we actually have a ton of stuff in here that we can have like dinners, and like we have frozen hamburgers, a ton of frozen vegetables. We just have stuff that we need to use. So this week I was like, we're just gonna grab like some stuff that we can pair with stuff we already have and get rid of that because like we just need to clear out our stash, you know? So that's what we're doing this week. That's why the groceries are just kind of weird and like there's not a lot of them, because trust me, like I'll show you. I'm kind of embarrassed to show this, but like there's so many like frozen things. There's actually like meat in here, and there's just a lot of stuff that we need to use. So this is one of those weeks where it's like we're using what we have, and we just got a couple of like staple things that we need. So there's the grocery haul. Now I'm gonna put it all away and we are gonna cook some dinner. Tonight we are having some ribeye. So I'm excited. Love a good steak. Okay guys, it's been a while. Ooh, if my camera will focus. I don't know why my camera has issues sometimes. Anyway, I am gonna end the vlog here because I'm actually going to it's called WeChat. It's like FaceTiming. Well, it's like a text app. I don't know how to describe it. Basically, if you have friends like in another country, you can talk to them using WeChat. It's kind of like WhatsApp, but on WeChat, it's like a whole, I don't know how to explain it, but it's like it has like almost like a Facebook feed, and then you can text, and you can also like video call. So anyway, I'm gonna WeChat with Katie. If you guys have, like, if you guys are new, Katie is my best friend. She lives in China now. She moved there in March. And so, it's really hard to like find time to talk, because now, especially with daylight savings time, she's 13 hours ahead. And so when I'm like going to bed, well actually not when I'm going to bed because I go to bed pretty late, but normally like she's getting up and her day's starting when my day's ending. And so it's hard to find time to talk, but we decided that we were gonna WeChat tonight. So James is playing video games. Normally when he plays video games, I either edit videos or work on stickers or something. I would have edited yesterday's vlog and uploaded it, but because I'm WeChatting with Katie, I felt like that was more important, so that video will just go up tomorrow. And then I will also try to get today's video up tomorrow. But yeah, Sundays can be a really hard day to upload, so I'll still vlog, but I probably won't upload that video until Monday. Or I won't upload Saturdays until Monday. And then I'll upload Sundays Monday too, if that makes sense. I would just combine them, but I feel like I have a ton of footage, so I don't know. We'll just see how that goes. But anyway, I am gonna go so I can WeChat with my best friend. I haven't talked to her in, I don't know, like over a month. I mean, like we've texted on WeChat, but I haven't actually like video talked to her in so long. So I feel like there's just like a ton of things that we need to like catch up on. And so anyway, I'm gonna end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you did, and don't forget to click the subscribe button, because this week is a super busy work week. I'm gonna be working a ton, which is totally fine, but it's just gonna be like a lot of behind the scenes of my sticker shop in the next couple of vlogs, because that's what I'm gonna be really focused on this week, especially since we are leaving on Friday to go visit my family, and I just feel like I'm losing like time here and there throughout the month, and I really want to make sure I have everything ready so that way when Black Friday comes, there's a ton of new stuff in the shop. So make sure you click subscribe if you want to see behind the scenes of my sticker shop, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and you're ready to see more behind the scenes of the sticker shop stuff. But that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys.